Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you 8 facts you should know before visiting Korea. On this channel we are going to upload interesting K-pop news every day, so make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest K-pop news and trends. So let's get it started. 1. The Korean alphabet is easy as ABC. 2. Transportation is efficient and inexpensive. 3. It's okay to shout at your server. 4. Tipping isn't necessary. 5. Public bathrooms can be a bit confusing. 6. South Korea is one of the safest countries. 7. Wear shower shoes. 8. There's no such thing as personal space. Comment below which video you wish us to do next, and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.